Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you had a fantastic day. We had an interesting day in the market. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what happened. We're going to talk about the moves that I was making today. So make sure you stick around. You're not going to want to miss any of this. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. That's what I do, and I'm on here each and every day to try to teach you exactly how you can do the same thing. Try to do it in an easy format so that you can just follow along, start to get that confidence to be able to trade for yourself. So if you want to learn more about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Do me a favor while you're at it, hit that like button, help me get these videos out to more people. The more people that can learn how to do this, the less power the big institutions will have over us when it comes to this money-making machine we know of as the stock market. So let's get into the market today. We ended up with the S&P closing up 0.76%, not as much as I thought it'd be, but we were in the green. We got the Dow up 0.30%, and we got the NASDAQ up 1.01%, so leading the way with the NASDAQ. So the markets was up today pretty good. With that being said, there was a lot of the market out there in the red, and I believe that's what held us back today. We had a lot of stocks that just took some hard hits here on my watch list. Now, we also had crypto up. Bitcoin was up over 3% today. Ethereum up over 3%. So a lot of the market moving forward, and I think once we get through the Fed meeting tomorrow and they come out and they announce a 50 basis point hike, we could see some volatility tomorrow, but by Thursday, I would look for the market to start to find its feet and start looking forward for what it's going to do over the next couple of weeks. So I believe there's a lot of opportunity about to be had here. And we made some of those moves today. Now, I said this morning in the video, I was watching the CPI numbers come out. Just as soon as they came out, the pre-market rallied like 3% for the S&P. So I went ahead and took a position in the SQQQ. I took a position there, same as we've done before. I've told you, anytime I see the market just rallying up in the pre-market, I never expect it's going to hold that. I expect it's going to pull back. Just like if I see it down more than about 2%, I expect it's going to come up at some point in time that day. So we took a position in the SQQQ. Picked that position up today. It dropped down to about $37.50. I was able to pick up a position at $38, and I ran that all the way up to $42. That's where I expected it to stop today, because I was expecting the markets was going to be up 1.5–2%. So I went ahead. I had a sell order out at $42. If I had held on a little bit longer, it ran up over $44 today. So if you got in a little later than I did and you ran it on up there, you probably made more money than I did. But with that being said, I'm very happy. That's $4 a share, which represented a 10.5% ROI on that trade. Super happy about that. That's probably one of the best trades I've ever made in the TQQ or the SQQ. Just fantastic. Like I said, 10.5% betting on the market. Doesn't get much better than that. Now, with that being said, I bought some stocks today, one of which you can probably read my mind, Coinbase. We got crypto up. We got Bitcoin up over 3% today, and yet we have Coinbase crashing down over 9%. Looked like a great opportunity to me. I picked up a position at $41. I thought that was a great price. And then it dropped even lower. I held out until the market closed, and now picked up another position in the after hours at $38.70. Brought my average way down. I think that's going to do very well. We get that 50 basis point hike like everyone's expecting tomorrow, and this market starts to rally. Crypto starts to rally. We could easily see that position run up $46, $48, maybe even higher. So I think there's a lot of potential in that particular stock. What else did I buy? Well, I bought the TQQQ. I just said I'm expecting the market to rally. I think it has the potential to have a fairly significant rally over the next couple of weeks. So when it dropped back today under $22, I picked it up. I had a buy order set at 22 flat, so when it dropped under, we picked up a position in that. We'll see moving forward how that plays out, but I think that both those stocks are going to do very well in the upcoming days. So that's what I got for you today. Make sure and join me in the morning. We'll talk about the market. We'll get a plan together, and we'll find out what the news is tomorrow afternoon from old Jerome Powell himself and see if we're going to get the presents, the bag full of presents that we're hoping for. So until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.